good morning. We're having our family brunch at Blackford, the World Cup Singapore, August 21, 2026. My son Limito Alfonso is sleeping. Here's Lizzie Boy with signature of Albert Lee. Complete name Lizzie Boy. Okay? With the signature of Albert Lee. 74 years old, Singaporean, retired. We're having our family brunch at Blackford, the World Cup Singapore. We're having a Japanese pancit canton. I converted that because it's like canton pancit canton. Okay, the Japanese is using pancit canton with the mise en scène is like popia and chicken, fried chicken wing sticks. Okay, dear folks at Blackford, the World Cup Singapore. Our family brunch. Okay, enjoy Singapore. My son naming 12 was sleeping. Okay, enjoy Singapore.